Hey guys, Electronic Nerd here, and today I'll be showing you my to-do list and my gaming setup and my other thing. Now, I know what you're thinking, this video is going to be boring. Well, whenever I get 20 subscribers, I'm going to do the second thing. I mean, I know I'll probably get, or I might get a gaming setup for Christmas. But, yeah. So here's my to-do list. Make gaming setup list and draw out Wolverine claws for video, which I'm going to be making a movie, and I might make just some cardboard Wolverine claws, or I might order some. But anyways, here's my gaming setup. MacBook Pro, headset, face cam, camera, and Blue Yeti microphone. Now the reason I'm getting Blue Yeti is because they're cheap and because they're good. Okay, here's the drawing out for the Wolverine claws. It's supposed to be 11 inches, but the sheet's only 10.5. And I didn't want to draw out the whole sheet. And I'm not a good drawer, so don't laugh. But it's supposed to be 11 inches in height. And 3/4 of an inch in width. I measured it, it's 3/4. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Like, comment. Please comment if you have any other suggestions for a gaming setup. Thanks. Bye.